These are all the goodies that were added to the Z06, this wonderful blue titanium exhaust. This is the X pipe coming up here that goes on the exhaust, as well as the mufflers that actually fit the factory valves so the neighbors wouldn't be too upset. We also have a comparison of the old exhaust versus the new. The weight savings was huge, as well as the sound. Getting these things installed was fun, but we were able to do it. This is where they connect to the new high-flow cats. These are by 2M products. Used them before. The highest quality stuff I've seen on the market. Great prices as well. The JLT bracket for the JLT intake. Here's a diagram coming up of how that goes together. 20% more airflow. It's clean. It fits perfect. Here's a good example right there. There's plenty of room in the trunk, nothing protruding. And then we have the Solar Performance throttle bodies. Absolutely excellent in performance, and this is where they go. We also have the fender flares that were done in carbon fiber to match the rest of the carbon fiber, and this controller goes with the Solar Performance throttle bodies, allows you to adjust the response time, and it's a great theft deterrent. Plus, in this particular video, we have some pretty little red accents that I added to the interior to make it prettier. The exhaust finally got installed. As you can see, we kind of broke it in a little bit. It still looks magnificent. We do hope we can bring you some more great videos, some 360-degree videos, as well as some great car show content coming up here soon. Thank you.